podcast.
Beautician must have good patience.
So hello everybody, my name is Yon and welcome to the channel Talks and Truths. So today we are heading with a very interesting podcast with a beautician. She's looking already very beautiful. Yeah. So she's none other than Jane. So how are you?
I'm fine, Rion.
Okay.
Thank you.
So today I'm going to ask you some questions based on beautician, like the
Okay.
field.
Yeah.
So are you ready?
Yes.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Yeah. So how did you learn your skills?
I wanted to look beautiful, and others should also look beautiful, and people should admire beauty.
Okay.
So I'm interested.
Yeah. So what inspired you to become a beautician?
People's beauty
Yeah.
and even my beauty.
Okay. So what was your first day like in this profession? First day when you started?
Actually, in the beginning, I was not that interested in this field. Slowly, I started to learn regarding beauties, skills, skin, hair, everything. Then I thought better to learn these things. So I was very interested.
Okay, that was a very good answer. So what does a typical day look like for you?
Typical day.
Like a normal day for you as a beautician.
Okay, when I started beautician, I was very nervous. I don't know anything about beauty or beauty products. So I was a bit nervous in the beginning. After learning everything, I become very proud.
Yeah, that's true. So what are your favorite beauty services to do?
I like to do all type of beauty services: facial, waxing, pedicure, manicure, hair spa, bridal dressing, especially sari draping. Everyone like my sari draping.
Yeah.
So
Okay. So what would be your experiences? Like how many years?
I
You are in this
think it is more than 30 years.
Oh my god, that's a very huge number. Yeah. So what skills are important for a beautician? Like who are seeing this podcast?
Beautician must have good patience, hard work. She has to be dedicated and very good communication with the clients. Yeah.
So yeah, what are some basic skincare tips everyone should follow? The people who are seeing this podcast.
Okay. People must take care of their skin. Cleansing, toning, moisturizing. It is a basic thing. Everyone should use the toner, cleanser,
Okay.
and moisturizer for the skin. So skin will be remain bit better.
Okay. So how can someone choose the right products for their skin?
Products are depending on their skin type, oily skin or dry skin or normal skins.
Okay. So what are common beauty mistakes? Like beauticians make mistakes.
Beauticians make mistakes.
Yeah, like common mistakes.
Common mistake. Sometimes they won't be able to guide the type of skin. Sometimes they don't know how to treat the acne and all. So
Okay.
some basic mistakes happens.
Okay. So how do you stay updated with new styles?
We take regular seminars
Okay.
and new trend what comes. Taking training from the trainers.
Okay. So what do clients usually ask for the most?
Most of the clients ask regarding skin.
Okay.
They have sometimes pigmentation or pimples, blackheads, or to remove tan, how to remove, all that they ask.
So what do you love most about your job?
What?
Like what do you love most about your job?
Most about my job. I like draping sari very
Okay.
much. Even I do pedicure.
Yeah. So what advice would you give to someone starting out?
Starting out. Who is interested in beautician field? First of all, they must have very good patience. Work should be proper. They have to be dedicated for that work.
Yeah, that's true. That's true. So, if you could work with any celebrity, who would it be?
No, I had not worked with anyone else.
No, like in future, if any
Future.
celebrity, like if you could work with.
I'm not interested.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. That's
I
true.
want to do my own.
Okay. So, are you ready for a rapid fire round as a beautician?
Rapid?
Rapid fire round. Like you should answer very rapidly, fastly.
Yes.
Okay. I'll give you two choices. You should select one.
Okay.
Okay. So, skincare or makeup?
Skincare is important.
Okay. Matte or dewy look?
Dewy look.
Lipstick or lip gloss?
Both.
Foundation or BB cream?
BB cream is better.
Salon day or home care?
I like home care.
Natural look or glam look?
Natural look.
Hair spa or facial?
Both.
Eyeliner or mascara?
Both.
Bridal makeup or party makeup?
Both I.
Okay. Gel nails or acrylic nails?
About nails, I don't like to.
Oh, okay.
About nail
Yeah.
art and all. So I don't know.
Okay. Morning routine or night routine?
Morning routine is better.
Favorite hairstyle to do?
Favorite?
Hairstyle to do?
Oh, to straighten hair
Okay.
and to color up the hair.
Yeah. Okay. So most requested service?
Most requested service from me, from our field.
Yeah. Yeah.
I do everything, but bridal makeup and sari draping is more
Yeah. Yeah.
requested.
So would you take coffee or tea during work?
I don't take anything.
Okay. Early appointments or late ones?
Early appointments are better.
Music or silence in this salon?
Music is better in the salon.
Okay. So thank you, Jane Moshi, for coming to this podcast.
Welcome.
Okay. So thank you guys for watching this podcast. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe this video. Thank you.